to my channel. It's Marika. So for today's video, I decided to do a makeup look, which is what I am wearing on my face right now. I decided to create this makeup look. I actually just winged it. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I used the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill's collaboration with them, which is her the Vault palette, and I use the palette Dark Magic. Now, I'm not hearing a lot of stuff about this Vault collection whatsoever at all. Maybe I did hear it for the first few weeks that it came out, but I got it about a month and a half ago, and I'm just now using them. And so I'm gonna do, like, every weekend I'm gonna create a look with each palette, and I'm just gonna yeah, because I don't have time to do a whole look with all of the palettes in one video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a video each week and post it every weekend or something and do a look with it. So today I did this look with the Dark Magic palette. The Dark Magic palette is pretty much like really greens and stuff like that. I love this color scheme here. I love it. I didn't find a lot of fallout with this palette. I just wish Power Cut was more really like pigmented. I didn't add any like some type of like Fix Plus because I don't have any anyways, and yeah. The colors are really pigmented. They are a little bit hard to blend, my opinion. I want to play with this palette more because I feel like it's really pretty. It's a cool tone palette, and so this is the look that I created. And if you guys want to keep on watching how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so you guys know that my videos are pretty much the same routine as always, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what eyeshadows I use. So for my crease, I use the shade Busted. Now this shade was really hard for me to blend. It came off a little patchy on my eyes. Like I said, these are my own opinions. Everyone's eyelids are different, and I do wish that I had bigger eyelids so I had more space to work with. So yeah. Next, I'm going to put Potion on the top of Busted just to blend the two shades together. And I honestly didn't know what I wanted to do with this eye look whatsoever. I just wanted to use almost every one of these shades so I can tell you guys what I think about it. But like I said, I don't have a lot of eyelids to work with. Like, I don't have a lot of space, so I did what I could. And after I put Potion, you just had to do a lot of blending, and then to blend in with Busted, I put Inside Job as well with my crease to just deepen up the look. I wanted to do like a half crease kind of look, so I just used a concealer from Wet n Wild, and I followed where my eyelids fold. I have a hooded eyelid, so I just had to like close my eyes to put the concealer and then open my eyes to see where it lands, and then I will actually like cut it or whatever. And then I used Power Cut on my main eyelid, and this color is so beautiful, but I wish it would have been more it would have popped more. Like I said in the video, I didn't have Fix Plus to see if it would like pop even more if it was wet or whatever. So yeah, I was a little disappointed. So for my outer corner, I used Trickery, and I just blended it together with the Power Cut, so it's not very messy. This look was really messy, to be honest, but once I put my eyeliner and the eyelashes, it made the look was everything. It was really nice. And so in this video right now, I'm just blending and blending and blending. Had to do a lot of blending, and then I just fast forward everything. So I already have my eyelashes and then my eyeliner, and then I put poof on my brow bone, and then I did already do my eyebrows at this point. And then for the next few clips, it's just everything is pretty much common sense. I don't need to tell you guys what I did because you guys can just see what I did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like fast forward everything, and you guys can just watch the whole thing. And I actually forgot how much I love this foundation by Milani. It is so nice, and I haven't used it in a while, and I actually missed using it. Under my eyes, I'm pretty sure I used Inside Job for this one, and I just put it on my lower lash line, and I actually used Power Cut on my inner tear duct, and I just blended those two colors together, and voila! And oh my god, guys, this highlighter is everything. This is one of my favorite highlighter, and I love that glow that it gave me. It's not a natural glow whatsoever at all, but if you want like a dramatic look like what I just did, this is the perfect highlighter, and I just couldn't stop myself applying it to my face because it was that pretty.